Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're coming at you with a one box break of 2013 Momentum Football. And here we go. I don't have my handy knife tonight, so we're just going to wing it. Good luck everyone. Let's hope for some mojo. Alright, here we go, guys. Glenn, that's very, very generous of you. I guess he's going to say no pad hits. Base cards, we're just going to breeze through them, guys. Reggie Wayne, Wes Welker, Jamal Charles, Dustin Keller, and we'll go to the rookie, Marcus Lattimore. Nice rookie for the 49ers. That's not numbered, but that's going to go to Brandon L. Nice hit, Brandon. And the hit, Terrence Williams for the Dallas Cowboys. And that's going to Justin R. Nice hit for you, Justin. That's going to be numbered 155 of 299. This pack feels way thicker than the last one. Marshawn Lynch, Colin Kaepernick, Asante Samuel, Derek Johnson, and the rookie is Tyler Wilson going to the Oakland Raiders, Glenn H. And that's not going to be numbered. And the hit, wow, boom, baby. There we go. Philadelphia Eagles. Joey F. First timer to the site. Congratulations, buddy. Very nice hit. 107 of 199. Nice hit, Joey. Congrats, buddy. Very nice hit. That's a little boom baby there. Tom Brady, Jordy Nelson, Steve Johnson, Darren McFadden, and the rookie Nick Tassa. And that is going to Glenn. Not numbered. And for the Chicago Bears, Marquise Wilson, auto rookie. And that is going to Brandon L., who just said he loves this product. Number 69 of 299. Congrats, Brandon. Very nice hit for you there. Let's take one off the top here. Welcome to Boom, baby. I don't think Joey's here, but he'll definitely get a tweet about that. I think he'll be happy with that hit. Marquise Colston, Christian Ponder, Larry Fitzgerald, Malcolm Floyd. The rookie is going to be Eric Fisher for the Kansas City Chiefs. Thomas T. Not numbered. And the autograph, Jamar Taylor for the Miami Dolphins, number 227 of 399. Dave D. This is a excellent product. I love this product. I love it. Brandon Marshall, Victor Cruz, Andre Johnson, Sam Bradford, the rookie D. Milliner for the New York Jets, Dave D. Not numbered. And the hit's going to be an autograph. Matt Scott for the Jacksonville Jaguars. Oh, who's got the Jaguars? Sarah G. First timer. First timer to the site. Boom, baby. Number 3 of 5. Very nice hit. Sarah with the boom, baby. There you go. Very nice hit, Sarah. Congratulations. Like I said, I love this product. Antonio Cromartie, Adrian Peterson, Julio Jones, RG3, and the rookie is going to be Dennis Johnson for the Houston Texans, not numbered, and that's going to go to Dave D. And we got a duel. Nice duel. Matt Ryan, Julio Jones for the Atlanta Falcons, Dave D. And Dave, that's a nice one. Number 37 of 99. A little boom baby for you there, brother. Very nice hit. As I said earlier, Dave, I think they're going all the way this year. Hey, Dave, I want Sarah to say boom baby. Get her on the chat and let her say it. Cam Newton, Richard Sherman, Tony Romo, oh no Romo, Aaron Rodgers. The rookie is going to be Jonathan Cyprian. Never heard of him, guys, got to be honest. And that's not numbered. And the next hit, and I got him out of a box last night, Eric Fisher. And that's going to be a short print, though, number 4 of 199. Oh, yeah, the Falcons are making a strong Super Bowl run. 3 more packs left, guys. I want to know who likes the product. Who likes this? Arian Foster, Alfred Morris, Rob Gronkowski, and we have a numbered card, Vance McDonald, but we'll get to the numbering later. Let's go to the rookie first. Ryan Swope, who retired, and that is not numbered. And I'm going to make this so you guys can't see anything. So here we go. Vance McDonald. Look at this, guys. Who got them 49ers? Boom, baby! 5 of 5. Brandon, you got the mojo there, buddy. Holy cow. Wow, Brandon. And by the way, guys, his mother follows me. So she's gonna favor that, I'm sure. Wow. And here's a nice one for the Chiefs. Tyler Bray. And look at this, another short printed autograph, guys. 12 of 49. Who's got the Chiefs? Thomas T. Very nice hit, buddy. Wow. Wow. This stuff is crazy, guys. Brandon, I got to be honest. I would have liked to seen Dave get him because he is a 49er fan. I got to be honest with you. Let's see what this pack holds for us, guys. Demarius Thomas, Jermaine Gresham, Rashad Mendenhall, and a rookie Josh Boyce. And that's going to be numbered card 70 of 99. And that's going to go to the New England Patriots, Justin M. Rookie on the back is Eddie Lacy. Very nice hit for the Green Bay Packers, Thomas T. And here we have, and I got this card last night too, Matt Barkley jersey. And that's going to be number 224 of 399. It's going to the Eagles. Joey F. with another nice hit. Last pack, guys. Last pack. I want another box, guys. I'm going to be honest. I want another box. This stuff is loaded. Loaded. Drew Brees, Jason Pierre-Paul, Trent Richardson, Torrey Smith, and we'll go to the rookie Marcus Hunt. And I got this one last night too. Man, why could my other cards be like this? Stedman Bailey. My jersey was a little bit better. I had a patch on it. It was number 25. 279 of 299. And that's going to the St. Louis Rams, Matt H. Awesome box, guys. Wow. Guys, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com. Also follow us on Twitter at @thecasebreakers.